I'm Brian Vickers, and I'm a program manager at Veritas, and today I'm going to talk about the difference between barcoding and asset tagging. So barcoding would be to apply a very traditional barcode just like this one, the kind of barcode you might see on the back of a cereal box or something like this, whereas asset tagging would be applying a locally described name to an asset. So let's take an example. If I have, let's say I have 7 air handlers. So if I was barcoding them, I would just apply the next barcode in line as I'm going through doing an inventory to each of those. And using some of our mobile tools, we can correspond this barcode number with that asset, using its make, model, serial number, using photos of it. But if I was doing an asset tagging, I would then go back and say, okay, you have 7 air handlers, so we'll call this one AHU1, AHU2, AHU3, and so on. So that's the difference between applying barcodes, which are usually printed before an inventory is done, and asset tagging, which would be understanding the entire inventory and then assigning a local name to it. I'll tell you that practically speaking, very often we see more than one AHU1s or more than one RTU1s. So a lot of the predetermined names sometimes can get confusing to maintenance technicians because there isn't a predefined standard. Whereas applying barcodes like this always ensures a unique name. So either exercise is something within our capabilities to do. They definitely have their advantages. Sometimes we do it at the same time, but certainly applying barcodes, especially the two-dimensional barcodes like this one, which can code things like a URL, is exceptionally advantageous because you can code more information into it, like a web page that includes all of its maintenance history and all of the pertinent details, make, model, serial number, relevant photos, all that kind of thing.